Ah oui, tu as vu? Ils sont méchants.
Attention même, hein? Allah. On a fini avec les sucres, right?
Yeah. Suzette?
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you both. Have a great evening.
You too, guys. Bye bye.
Where are you from?
I'm from Paris.
Okay, I could hear you speaking French.
Ah.
Yeah, that's why.
You speak it?
Pardon?
You speak it?
No, but I wasn't sure because you're speaking so fast. It kind of almost sounded like you're speaking a Creole.
Ah.
But, yeah.
You speak Creole too?
No, our family's not really, but our family's from St. Lucia.
From St. Lucia?
Yeah, so
Okay,
they
okay.
speak Creole over there, yeah.
No, when you speak French, it's true, we can speak very, very fast.
Yeah.
My dad is from St. Lucia, my mom is from Martinique.
Oh, is it? I didn't know we got the gold medal, yes!
See, I didn't know that. I didn't know that all these years I've been coming. I didn't know that. We speak all the time. I didn't know that.
Yeah?
Ah,
So my Creole is very good.
nice.
And like, where in St. Lucia is your family from?
My dad is from Castries and Gourmand.
Okay.
That's the two places and they come.
Okay. Our family's from Dennery.
Okay.
Yeah.
You been there?
Yeah. Yeah, we even went to school there when we was younger.
Oh, nice.
For like 3 months we went there. Yeah. Is it 3 months?
I think it was longer.
I think it was about 3
It
months.
was like I remember did the start of the academic year and the end of the academic year in England that year.
I think it was
Did they still do the Friday street party?
In like by Rodney Bay side, yeah, they still do. A
Nice.
cousin of my younger cousin was there like a couple months ago. So, yeah.
I used to love Friday street party.
Yeah. Have you like seen all the videos of like everybody celebrating like the?
No,
Yeah.
not yet.
Yeah. Like everybody, you know, like Derek Walcott Square.
Yeah.
Like everybody's been in Derek Walcott Square, like watching.
What's a proud
the games.
moment?
Well, this
Absolutely.
Is it. This is it. I've been watching it over and over and over again.
Very proud moment.
Yeah. I'm sure they're like a national hero or something. They have to
Oh,
give her
yes.
a square or something. Yeah.
Oh yes, absolutely.
Yeah.
C'est quoi ça là?
Oh, well, this is my first time. I definitely have to come back again.
Yes.
Yeah.
C'est à bout.
And I can teach you Creole.
Yeah.
Like the spinach.
That's your.
Yeah, you hold it.
Both for years.
So okay, 15 pounds for you guys when you're ready.
Thank you.
Pleasure. Thank you, my brother.
Thank you very much.
Did you finish eating? Not eating? No, I don't want bread. I'm on a diet. What? I can't be on a diet.
Pour ça, tu vois le café des gens qui sont derrière.
I'm on a diet of food. Eating.
Donc tu vois le café des gens qui sont
Oui, oui.
en diet.
Oui, monsieur. Okay, what am I doing? This is done. That's done.
Your one as well.
It's a mushroom.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, Mrs. Love.
I'm gonna come back here now.
Come
so
back
happy
to us,
see
baby.
you. Yeah.
What's your name?
Đó, bắt thành 17 triệu.
17 triệu.
Dạ. Dạ, cháu ăn đây không ạ? Cháu. Anh ơi, có thêm một bát đặc biệt nhá. Đây ở đâu bạn? Ok.